life, we are often faced with challenges that test our limits and push us out of our comfort zones. However, it is during these moments that we have the opportunity to truly shine and prove our potential. Today, we will explore the significance of facing challenges boldly and how it paves the way to our destiny, success. Embrace the unknown. One of the key ingredients to success is having the courage to embrace the unknown. Life is full of uncertainties, and it is in these uncharted territories that we discover new opportunities and experiences. By taking risks and stepping outside of our comfort zones, we open ourselves up to growth and transformation. Overcoming fear and doubt. Fear and doubt are natural companions on the journey towards success. However, it is important to recognize that these feelings are only temporary roadblocks. By acknowledging our fears and doubts, but not allowing them to dictate our actions, we can harness our inner strength and conquer any obstacle that comes our way. Cultivating a growth mindset. A growth mindset is an essential trait for success. Instead of viewing challenges as setbacks, embrace them as opportunities for growth and learning. Believe that your capabilities are not fixed, but can be developed through dedication, hard work, and perseverance. Cultivate a mindset that sees failures as stepping stones and setbacks as valuable learning experiences. Creating a resilient attitude. Resilience is the ability to bounce back from setbacks and adapt to change. Challenges often test our resilience, but they also build it. By staying determined, maintaining a positive outlook, and learning from failures, we can develop an unbreakable spirit that propels us towards success. Remember, it's not about avoiding failure, but how we rise above it. Celebrating small victories. Along the path to success, it is crucial to celebrate the small victories along the way. Recognizing and appreciating the progress we make, even in the face of challenges, boosts our motivation and keeps us moving forward. Each step forward, no matter how small, brings us closer to our ultimate destination. Visualization and goal setting. Visualization and goal setting are powerful tools that enable us to define what success means to us. By visualizing our desired outcomes and setting clear goals, we can create a roadmap that guides us through challenges and brings us closer to fulfilling our destiny. Consistently revisit and adjust your goals as you progress, ensuring that they align with your purpose and passions. Seek support and collaboration. It's important to remember that we don't have to face challenges alone. Seek support from mentors, friends, and colleagues who can provide guidance, encouragement, and different perspectives. Collaboration can also amplify our strengths and help us overcome challenges more effectively. Surround yourself with a network of like-minded individuals who inspire and challenge you to be your best self. In conclusion, believe in your ability to overcome challenges and reach your full potential. Success is not an overnight achievement but a journey that requires courage, perseverance, and a positive mindset. Embrace challenges fearlessly, for they are opportunities in disguise. Face each obstacle head-on, knowing that with every challenge overcome, you are one step closer to your destiny, success.